So with traditional extended nose collets, they've always been kind of handled as specials by all the manufacturers because the diameters are always unique to whatever part you're making. And there are different extensions that are desired by different customers. With our system, we have a standardized extended nose on the cartridge, and it sort of forces you to think in a standardized way. At first that might feel a little constricting, but once you do, remember every size, every collet, everything is available to fit that size. So once you adapt to that standardized approach that we have, and once you standardize your tooling to that, your solution's always 2 days away at max. It also helps in problem solving because you already know what the extension's going to be. You don't have to send a little sketch of your extended nose collet saying, here's how long the nose is, this is the diameter I need, this is the land I need. All of that stuff is standardized in our catalog. You seek the solution you need. Then if you need to adapt your setup a little bit, you can. There's a fixed solution in our catalog. Maybe a little adaptation is necessary, but that's something you can do in advance. So when you're ready to roll, the stuff is there, it's available, it's ready to order. It really speeds the process up. It helps with troubleshooting and problem solving with different setups as you go.